Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, it's all about skincare. I picked up a few new products and I'm excited to show you guys. We're going to start with taking our makeup off. This is the Orgins Makeup Removing Jelly. You've seen me use this before. I love using this, especially when I have a full glam face on, because I feel like it really removes every last little layer. This is one of the new products I picked up. It's the Tatcha Polished Rice Enzyme Powder. This is a cleansing exfoliant that makes your skin feel so soft and glow. You just want to pour a little of this into your palm. It's a powder consistency because it's literally Japanese rice ground up. It also has other great things in it, like algae and green tea. So you want to wet your hands. I have my daughter's sippy cup here laying around, so I'm just going to use that to wet my hands. Life of a mother. And you're going to see as soon as the stuff gets wet, it turns into this really nice creamy consistency. It's very nice on your skin. It doesn't feel harsh at all like other exfoliants, which I really like. Then I'm just going to use Tatcha's The Essence. You've seen me use this before. I use this religiously now. I really feel like it's made such a difference in the texture of my skin. This is the next new product I picked up. It's Tatcha's The Water Cream. This has such a nice and light feeling and immediately makes your skin feel rejuvenated and moisturized. I can definitely see myself using this in the daytime underneath my makeup because it's not heavy like some of my moisturizers. Okay, the next product I picked up is the Sephora Green Tea Eye Mask. This one is for relaxing and refreshing those under eyes. The last Tatcha product I picked up is this Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and we're putting this on last because we don't want to wash this off. It has a bunch of really great nutrients in it that we want to really soak into our skin. And as we wait for that to do its job, I'm going to use the last new product I have. This is the e.l.f. Brown Sugar Lip Exfoliant. We're just going to brush all that dead skin off of our lip. Peel that mask off and rub in all those great ingredients like algae and green tea. My skin feels so amazing after all this. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed these new products I picked up, and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.